Hey guys, I'm Regina.
And I'm Will.
Today's take is on how to decorate brown eggs for Easter. Please like the video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel. Let's dive in.
So last year, we started a new tradition, and that is decorating eggs instead of dyeing eggs. And the reason why we went this route is because the eggs that we purchase are normally brown eggs. And when we did this the first time last year, we stumbled a little bit. So hopefully this video will help you to not have to go through those mistakes. So we have created a new tradition, and we're hoping all of you that are into the brown eggs now are also able to use this in your decorating of eggs.
Let's get started.
First, grab an egg carton. Go ahead and start cutting the bottom so that you're able to fit a full egg in there. The idea behind this is so you have a place for the wet eggs to dry. Now we're good to go. Grab your first egg. We're using two different types of markers. This one is a Kwik Stix. It's really nice because it's almost instant drying, but it is a thicker tip. Then the other one we have is a paint pen, and this is actually a thinner tip. You can do a lot more decorating with it, a lot more control, but it does take longer to dry. So you have to be more aware of how wet it gets. Go ahead and start decorating. It doesn't have to be perfect, especially if you're working with little kids. Just get creative, do a couple designs, add some color. Just be careful of when you're putting them in the egg carton because they will be a little wet. You can write with the Kwik Stix or write with the paint pen. You can see the different thickness. We will link these markers up in the description below as well. These are just a couple examples of what we did. Get creative, have fun. Let go of your perfectionism. These are some more examples of what we did. As you can see, our 4-year-old loves to scribble on them. Those are how we painted our eggs.
All right guys, and that's it. That's how we decorated our brown eggs for Easter this year. Thanks for joining us. Please comment below if you found any of these tips useful or if you have some awesome tips of your own. Please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and happy Easter.
Happy decorating.